Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another daily market report. Today is Thursday, December 23rd. I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed holiday season this coming weekend. We'll be off tomorrow. I'll do my best to get some reports out to you next week. I'll be on vacation myself, so might be kind of here and there, I guess. Some stuff might be coming a little later, as I don't think I'll have internet connections up there. So, anyways, you all have a wonderful holiday season, and we do got a lot of economic news releases. So let's take a look here. We'll start off today with the jobless claims, the weekly jobless claims at 420,000. So right approximately where estimations came, slightly lower than previous weeks. We got the durable goods orders came in at negative 1.3, so a little bit better than the prior month at negative 3.1. But once you take out the exclude the transportation, those numbers kind of offset things. So actually came in surprisingly pretty good here. That came up 2.4% from a negative the previous month. So November was actually pretty good for durable goods. We actually had some good numbers that came in there. Personal incomes was up slightly, up 0.3%. Prior month was actually 0.5, so not as good as that, but we gotta keep it tame. Consumer spending about the same as the previous month, so slightly lower than estimates. Core PCE, that's the inflation index, probably right there with the CPI. That's very important. Came up practically nothing, 0.1% from zero. So inflation's still not a concern at this moment. Consumer sentiment, up slightly, 74.5. And new home sales up a little bit for November, 290,000. Slightly missed the estimations a little bit, but what do we expect? This is seasonal here and holiday season, so we don't really have a whole lot of new home sales typically in this time period. So that's not really a huge surprise. The stock market was a little bit mixed. Dow was down, but the S&P and the Nasdaq were up a little bit. So let's take a look at the bond market here. Most of the traders have kind of left already for the day, and they're closing a little early today, so we have a little volatility going on right now where these aren't natural. So right now we're down about 35 for the day. It's kind of important that we keep above this, as I mentioned yesterday, above this 98.5, 98.5. I like to keep it above the 98.7, but we'll have to see until what happens by the end of the day here. But again, these are kind of amateurs that are out. Today won't really matter as much. Next week will be a little bit better once the traders are back. They digest the information and it'll kind of correct itself out. So this really shouldn't be as big of a drop as it's showing here. It's just, like I said, it's kind of amateurs at work here today. So you guys, again, have a blessed holiday. Be safe, and I'll make sure I get back to you guys on Monday. Have a great day.